Going to be a demonstration of our juvenile diabetes management app. This is going to be the first page you come to, the landing page. You can either log in or sign up. The sign up asks you for a login, password. You have to re-enter your password, and then you can select the type of diabetes that you have, type 1 or type 2. We already have a profile set up, so we'll go to login, enter in the credentials, hit login. It'll bring us to the actual main page. We have add meal, add blood sugar measurement, add insulin shot, add exercise, add weight measurement, add blood pressure measurement. In each of these, we have tables like this where you can delete existing items, and additionally you can add a new item. So we're going to add ham and cheese sandwich, and there's ham and cheese. This comes through the Nutrienix API. You can say how many servings you had, so I'll say 2 servings, and then we can use the date picker to set a date as well as change the time. So go to 9, you can hit the X, and then we can hit add, and we'll see that it added the new entry on the table. And then if we say I don't like this one per se, I can just delete it and it will be removed. So go back, blood sugar measurements, you can enter the value you got from your reader, and you can set date as well, and then you can delete from here needed. Then insulin shots, you can select how many units you've taken, select the date and time, and then add it to the table. And then for exercise, you can either do how much weightlifting you've done, or cardio, as in how long you've been running for. And again, you click and you add the date and the time. And then weight management is how much you weigh at the current time, and you can set the date and time again and remove it. And then for the blood pressure, you can add the systolic and diastolic measurements, and set the time again and day, and you can delete from over here. And then finally, we can go over to the graphs, and then you can select either calories, blood sugar, insulin, how much you've lifted, how much you've ran, how much you've weighed, and your blood pressure. And then we generate a graph which has this information that you put in earlier, and you can look at each point to see the type of information you had. It gives you the date and the amount. Go to blood sugar, get your blood sugar readings, insulin shots, the amount you've put in, lift, the amount of weight you've lifted, cardio, how far you've ran in minutes, weight, how much you've weighed in pounds, and then blood sugar, blood pressure, where you have the systolic and diastolic on the same chart. And you can look at each one of those points. And that's our app.